Hello everyone, I'm Apriliana Rani, and here I'm going to make a presentation as you can see on these slides. So I'm going to talk about hustle culture. Let me start. So in my presentation about hustle culture, I'm gonna talk about definition of hustle culture, impact of hustle culture phenomenon in Indonesia, and conclusion. So we go to the first one. Okay, for hustle culture. What is hustle culture? Hustle culture, or known as workaholism, was first introduced by Wayne Oates in his book entitled Confession of the Workaholic, The Fact About Work edition in 1971. Hustle culture is a new lifestyle among millennials who think they will be successful if they continue to do things, work, and have little time to rest. Even sometimes there are people who feel proud when they can spend a lot of time just working as if it is a benchmark for something productive until the time that should be used to rest is deferred to work too. Okay, is a definition of hustle culture. Now, what is the cause of hustle culture? Okay, as you can see, Clark et al. 2016 argues that this phenomenon is caused by a person's personality. According to him, people with types who tend to be perfectionist and result-oriented have a greater tendency to get caught up in this phenomenon. Generally, they work very hard not because of loyalty to the company, but because of rewards and perfectionism. Scott et al. 1997. In Piperl and Jones 2001. Apart from being driven by personality factors, this phenomenon is also exacerbated by the rapid development of information technology. So social media exposes the millennial generation to stories of other people who achieve success at the young age, such as Mark Zuckerberg or Indonesian, like Maudy Ayunda. The exposure to the success of millennial characters combined with a perfectionist, result-oriented, and passionate personality is more than enough to encourage a millennial to work very hard to achieve success. So it is a cause of hustle culture. Cause for hustle culture, sorry. So we move to other slides. Okay, now we talk about impact of hustle culture. So I just show the negative impact of hustle culture now. One thing millennials need to understand this is that the world is always full of trade-off. Workaholism is also inseparable from this concept. Oates in 1971 states that this culture can have a negative effect of various aspects of the life of the perpetrator, like with the result of research conducted by Melino et al. 2016 on 617 workers in Italy found the hustle culture is negatively correlated with quality of life such as health and work-life balance. Okay, this is impact on healthy. So impact on healthy, the 2018 study published in Current Cardiology Reports, sample subjects from Europe, Japan, South Korea, and China. As a result, those who work more than 50 hours per week were found to have an increased risk of cardiovascular and cerebrovascular disease, such as myocardial infarctions, heart attack, and coronary heart disease. increased blood pressure and heart rate due to overwork, can also trigger arrhythmias, insulin resistance, hypercoagulability, and ischemia induced with high atherosclerosis. Worse, the hustle culture do not have a negative impact on physical health, but also a mental health, such as anxiety, depression, and suicidal ideations. Okay, this is impact on health. So we move to other slides. Okay, the second impact of hustle culture is losing work-life balance. For a hustle culture, the whole day from morning and to night is only filled with work, work, and work. In fact, the time between work, personals, and social should be allocated in a balanced way. As humans and social creators, we all need time to rest, socialize with other people, or me time. Okay, this is some cases of hustle culture, I take it these cases in The Guardian. So as you can see, okay, I move to okay. Now we go to the next slide. Is a phenomenon in Indonesia. In accordance with Article 77, Paragraph 2 of Law Number 11 of 2020 concerning job creations, it stipulates that working hours for laborers, in a maximum for 40 hours per week, reporting from katadata.co.id, according to data from a Central Statistic Agency in 2016 until 2019, the average working hours of workers aged over 15 years in Indonesia still exceeds existing regulations or exceeds 40 hours per week. The average working hours in Indonesia tend to decrease from 2016 until 2019. Until 2019, there are 39.83% of the population worked 35 until 48 hours. BPS 2019. This proportions is a large proportion compared to other groups of working hours. However, compared to 2019, the working hours of workers in Indonesia have decreased during the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020. Okay, the last one, we move to the last slide. There is a conclusion. Okay, I have a small summarize or conclusion here about hustle culture. The phenomenon of hustle culture, or commonly known as a workaholic, is becoming a trend among the younger generation. Some of the factors that cause this workaholic culture include perfectionism and result-oriented nature, as well as social pressure due to the large number of millennials who are successful at the young age. Hustle culture can have a negative impact of physical, mental, and personal health. Okay, I think that's all I can explain about the hustle culture. I'm sorry for my speaking. I think it's not good. Okay, thank you very much.